ready to move your crypto from Coinbase Wallet to an exchange. Let's get those digital assets where you need them, quickly and securely. First, head over to your chosen exchange Euro. In this example, we are using Kraken. Navigate to the deposit or funding section. Select the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Like Bitcoin or Ethereum, the exchange will then generate a unique deposit address for that cryptocurrency. Copy this address carefully. It's like your bank account number for crypto. A mistake here can mean lost funds. Now, open your Coinbase Wallet app, find the cryptocurrency you want to send and tap on it. Then, tap the send button in the to field. Carefully paste the deposit address you copied from the exchange. Double-check every character to ensure it matches exactly. Next, enter the amount of crypto you want to transfer. You'll see an estimated network fee Euro. This is what miners charge to process your transaction. Adjust the amount if needed, keeping the fee in mind. Before confirming, review all the transaction details one last time: the address, the amount, and the fee. If everything looks correct, tap send or confirm. Your Coinbase wallet will then broadcast the transaction to the blockchain. You can track the progress on a block explorer using the transaction ID. Confirmation times vary depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion, but it usually takes a few minutes to an hour, and that's it. Your crypto is on its way to the exchange, ready for trading or whatever you have planned. Remember to always double check and stay secure.